Alright, this lesson we're looking at perpetuities. Perpetuities are just like an interest-only loan, but this time we're actually, rather than paying off the money, we're getting payments from the bank usually. But the difference here is we're getting the payments that's exactly same as the interest earned in our investment. So our starting balance, our principal, stays the same because we're only taking out the interest that's been made on top of our principal in a perpetuity. So it's going to be very similar to interest-only loan, but obviously it's just the other way around where we're now getting the money. So I'm going to jump right into an example, a couple of examples. So in this one, we have a superannuation of 500,000, and it's a perpetuity. It provides monthly income without using any of the initial investments of perpetuity. So if the interest rate for this perpetuity is 6% per annum, what is the monthly payment will you get? So obviously your first step is to divide 6 by 12 to get the monthly interest rate and put it over 100 times it with the original amount. Then you'll end up with 2,500. So that's the interest that this is earning every month. So you get $2,500 every month without touching your original value of 500,000. That's very similar to interest-only loan. I think that should be easy enough if you've done the work so far. Now this one is, I think a lot of you find a little bit more challenging, hence very likely to be on an assessment. So this one, it says how much money will you need to invest in a perpetuity? So we don't know how much money we're investing, but what we do know is earning interest of this compounding monthly, and 200 can be withdrawn every month. That means it's a perpetuity. We're only withdrawing the interest. So it's telling you that $200 is the interest that it's earning every month. So we're sort of working backwards where we know the answer, the interest, and we know the interest rate, 4.2 divided by 12 because monthly. So if we put it over 100 times by an unknown number that we don't know the original number that this perpetuity is on. So if we do it this way and do a CAS solve, it gives us a value of this. So this is how much you need to invest into a perpetuity for you to get $200 monthly, given that this is the interest rate.